How much should you actually spend on a fuel injector cleaner machine? You see cheap ones and pricey options, but which is actually worth it? It's interesting to figure out what makes the difference. Product number 1, THIKPO Fuel Injector Cleaner Toolkit. Let's start with the THIKPO Universal Fuel Injector Tester and Cleaner Toolkit. Priced at $26.89, this kit caught my attention for its versatility. If you want an affordable but effective way to tackle fuel delivery issues, this is worth a serious look. This kit is designed to operate injectors individually, helping you diagnose problems like blockages or leaks. It includes 8 different cleaning adapters, allowing you to quickly clean injectors on most petrol vehicles. The ability to test 2 injectors simultaneously is a real bonus, saving you time and hassle. Plus, the LCD display shows you which of the 8 pulse modes you're using, which matters because it helps you get the right cleaning technique for your specific injector. Now, some users complained about the lack of a detailed instruction manual. I'll be real with you, while a little guidance would have been helpful, the kit's intuitive design and online support options make it easy enough to figure out. If you're handy or willing to learn, that minor issue shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking to maintain your vehicle on a budget. Skip this one if you prefer something more advanced or if you're dealing with diesel injectors. For the price, it's hard to beat this value. Now, if the need for a manual bothered you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, THIKPO Upgraded Fuel Injector Cleaner. Next up is another from THIKPO, but this one is slightly upgraded and comes in at $26.99. It has the same excellent features as the previous model, but with some upgraded specs that caught my eye. If you want something similar but with a bit more power and versatility, this one's worth checking out. This version also tests 2 injectors at once and has 8 pulse modes, but it's designed to handle a wider range of injector types. The long power cords make it easy to maneuver around your engine bay, which is a big plus when you're working in tight spaces. The dual-channel setup means you can diagnose more efficiently, which translates into time saved on repairs. However, I did notice some reviews mentioning that it can take a bit longer to clean injectors on some models. Here's the thing though, while it may take a little extra time, the thorough cleaning it provides is usually worth the wait, ensuring your engine performs better in the long run. This is perfect for DIY enthusiasts who want a reliable tool without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something that's ready to use right out of the box without any learning curve. For the price and what it offers, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list may actually be even better for those who want a more comprehensive cleaning solution. Product number 3, Royal Purple Fuel Injector Cleaner. Moving on to something a bit different, we have the Royal Purple 18,000 Fuel Injector Cleaner for $6.48. This little bottle packs a punch for those looking to clean their injectors without the hassle of tools. If you want a quick and easy solution to restore fuel efficiency, this is worth considering. This cleaner is designed to restore your fuel economy and stabilize ethanol, which is particularly useful for engines that struggle with fuel quality. It maximizes horsepower and improves responsiveness, making it a great choice for anyone looking to boost their vehicle's performance. With over 3,400 reviews and an impressive 4.6-star rating, many users swear by it. However, some users mentioned that it might not provide the same level of cleaning as a full machine. Here's the thing, if you're looking for an easy fix and your injectors aren't heavily clogged, this is a fantastic option. But if your injectors are really dirty, you might want to consider a more heavy-duty solution. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, effective cleaner that can be used regularly. Skip this one if you need something for serious buildup. For the price, it's a great value for routine maintenance. Now, if you're interested in a more comprehensive cleaning system, the next product could be just what you're looking for. Product number 4, KAISAL Fuel Injector Cleaning Machine. Next, let's talk about the KAISAL Fuel Injector Cleaner Toolkit, which retails for $47.99. This one really impressed me with its disassembly-free design, meaning you can clean the entire fuel system without taking anything apart. If you want efficiency without the hassle of disassembly, this is worth a serious look. This cleaner uses a powerful pressure system to clean your fuel injectors and intake system thoroughly, which can lead to significant improvements in engine performance. The 1000 ml tank and adjustable pressure settings let you customize your cleaning process based on your needs, ensuring optimal results. It's compatible with most gasoline vehicles, making it a versatile choice. But honestly, as long as you're patient and willing to experiment a little, you should be able to find a suitable fit for your vehicle. This is perfect for car enthusiasts who want a powerful, efficient cleaning tool. Skip this one if you don't have the time to figure out the fittings or if you're working on diesel engines. For its performance and capabilities, it's a great value. Now, if you're looking for something even more budget-friendly, the next product on our list might catch your eye. Product number 5, YUANRI Injector Cleaner Toolkit. Finally, we have the YUANRI Universal Fuel Injector Tester Cleaner Toolkit, priced at just $20.99. This one stands out for its affordability while still offering solid features. If you're on a tight budget but need effective cleaning, you might want to take a closer look at this kit. It includes 6 sizes of cleaning adapters, making it compatible with a wide range of injectors. With 8 pulse modes and a dual-channel design allowing for the testing of 2 injectors at once, it covers all the basics you need for effective injector cleaning. Plus, the added safety features protect against reverse connections, which is a nice touch. However, some reviews noted that the build quality feels a bit less durable compared to pricier options. Here's the thing, while it may not feel as sturdy, it still gets the job done effectively, especially for casual users who need a reliable solution without the hefty price tag. This is perfect for casual DIYers or those who only need occasional cleaning. Skip this one if you're looking for heavy-duty performance or frequent use in a professional setting. Given its low price, it's a fantastic entry-level choice. So to recap, we've covered the THIKPO options for versatility, the Royal Purple for quick fixes, the KAISAL for thorough cleaning, and the budget-friendly YUANRI. Each has its strengths depending on your needs. Choose wisely and your injectors will thank you.